Hi, welcome to Jovie's home. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Today we are back in my kitchen and I'm going to show you one of my family's absolute favorite recipes. And this is actually one of my favorite recipes as a mom, a busy mom. I really like how quick it is, how simple it is, and it's just delicious. So I know it's not a Dutch food video, okay? The past 3 or even 4 videos that I've made, food videos, have been Dutch recipes. This is not a Dutch recipe. This is a recipe that I found and adapted to my style from Pinterest. And it's beef with broccoli, or in my case today, green beans and rice. And it is so good. So if that sounds good to you, then why don't you come on in, kick off your shoes and stay a while. I'm really glad you're here. All right, so, whew, steamy. Just a bit of rice fluffing. Ha! Don't burn yourself. One of my favorite things about making this recipe is actually how much my husband likes it. He is not really like a foodie. Like, he's the type of person who eats because he needs to eat to live. But whenever I make this recipe, he always comments how good it is. So that makes me feel good, and definitely tells me that I'm doing something right in terms of his food preferences. All right. That's our rice. How many of you have kids where they'll eat what you've made, but it better not be touching, you know? That's what I'm doing now, is I'm separating my daughter's beef from her green beans. And now for the best part, which is the tasting part. At least that's the best part for me. I don't know if that's the best part for you guys, but here's how it looks. I love it. I also do make this quite often with frozen broccoli, or whatever vegetables you want. I mean, I like using the frozen ones. It's just easier because they're done so quickly. But here we go, a little bite. The meat is just so soft and so tender. I don't know if it's that baking soda that we use or the cornstarch that makes it, I don't know, the texture is amazing. It's like very, very soft and chewy. That's also one of the reasons I think it's one of my daughters, who's almost two, it's her favorite. She finds it very easy to eat these pieces. So if you're a mom and you want to make your life easier because you want to have to do less cutting, this recipe might be for you. It's garlicky, it's delicious, all the flavors are there. I like how many vegetables are in here. I mean, it's one vegetable, but it's a lot of that one vegetable. And it's a really nice complete meal. Easy to make, super quick. And yeah, there you go. I hope you guys liked it. You guys, that is it for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Ring the notification bell if you want an email whenever I post, which is at around noon on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you think somebody else might like this recipe, then why don't you go ahead and click that share button. Send it to them, tweet about it, Facebook it, whatever you want, share it. That helps me a lot. Thank you so much for coming over today, you guys. It really means a lot to me that you spent some time with me today. I do hope you like this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.